how to make money with airdrops in this bureau. We are going to share 5 steps for you to know or to take on how to make money in this bureau. Airdrop is a amount of coin given out to the community for incentivizing the community, or as a reward, or as a marketing tool to communities or to the members of a particular community in a particular coin. So there are 5 steps that I'm sharing to you in this video, which we can follow to make money with these airdrops. Number 1 is determination to make money with airdrop. How determined are you to make money with airdrop? Because it is one thing to start and another thing to persevere. So you need to be determined. You need to take it as a second job or as a second business, so that you can be focused on it to determine yourself that you are going to make money on these airdrops. Because a lot of people have made money from airdrop. Many have made money from airdrop. I personally have made money from airdrop, and I believe that some of you watching me here have also made some money from airdrop. So you need to be determined. You need to resolve and say, yes, I am ready to make money from airdrop in this bureau. The second thing is, or the second step is, you need to do your own research. Yes, you need to calm down, check through the airdrop that you are seeing, your friends are sending you, or you are seeing in YouTube, in Telegram, in WhatsApp groups. You need to check it out yourself. Sit down, check out who are the founders of this airdrop. Check out their Telegram handle, their Twitter handle, their YouTube channel. How many people are subscribed to this social media or this particular airdrop? Who are the founders? You can check the name of the founders in LinkedIn. So this is very important, because there are many good airdrops, and also there are fake airdrops. So it's very important you do your own research. It is a research that will show you, that will convince you of which airdrop that you can go for. So choose the best. You can rate the airdrop from 1 to 10. So you can go for the best in your list and start engaging in the task for the airdrop. So I will do more video on some of the tasks for airdrop. So remember to subscribe and share, and check for my next video on some of the tasks for airdrop I will recommend in my channel. So the third step is be focused. When I say be focused, you need to relax. And let me explain. I don't mean that you should only choose one airdrop. I mean, be focused on the airdrops you have selected after your research. Having done your research, maybe out of 50 airdrops or 30 or 20, you choose 5 or 10 based on your capability, based on your schedule, as you can do. Then be focused on those ones. You don't need to pack plenty airdrops and at the end you are not qualifying any of them. That's being penny wise, pound foolish. So it's very important, the ones you have done research and you have chosen for yourself, it is very, very important, my friend, be focused on it. Be focused and check out what are the criteria, what are the things, what are the necessary things you need to do to qualify for the airdrop. Because some of them need for you to do some daily tasks, daily checking. So you need to ask yourself, what and what am I required to do in this airdrop to qualify? Each airdrop is peculiar, is particular. No 2 airdrops are the same. So you need to check out the requirements, and you get all this from your research I told you earlier, by checking out their Telegram handle, by using their white paper. Check out the Twitter handle, or X as it's called today. So you need to check if the airdrop needs referral. Try and refer, since it's free to refer persons. You need to learn it. So it's very important you are focused, because being focused will help you to not be disqualified on the ones you have chosen to key in. It's very important. I repeat myself, be focused on the one you chose and make sure you qualify, you meet the minimal target or the minimal task required of you in that particular airdrop. So as I said, I'll be mentioning some airdrops in my next video once I am doing So subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to get all these other airdrops I'm mentioning. This will take us to the fourth important step to take, that is be updated. You need to be current. You need to follow the airdrops you are doing, follow them in their Twitter handle, follow their daily posts, know when they are launching it. It's very important for you to know when the airdrop will be launched. So you need to follow their Twitter handles, Telegram channel for you to be updated. So you need to follow up. It's very important. It's one thing to do the airdrop, it's another thing to follow up and get the maximum profit out of the airdrop. So because the airdrops, most times they shift their listing date, so you need to be current. Even when they give you a listing date, you need to also check out and know whether they have shifted it. When are they listing? Where are they listing it? That is, which exchanges are they listing the airdrop at what time? And that time they're listing it, most time they give their time in UTC, Central European Time. But most of us are from Nigeria, Pakistan, India, and Sri Lanka. So you need to check your country. What is the time to your own local country? So you need to be updated on this so that you can know when to start trading. Because most airdrop, once they launch it, it rises in the first 30 minutes, in the first 1 hour. That's when you can take your profit if you want to sell. So it's very important you are conscious of the time. In fact, be on your phone and be watching. Like I used to do, I used to hold my phone and be watching. Remember 1 minute, remember 30 seconds. So that when they launch it, and if I see the movement of the airdrop move bullish, make to the my expectation, I will start selling. So you have to do this for yourself. Nobody can do this for you. It's very important. Now that brings us to the last step, because you need to be guided, as in this journey of making money in cryptocurrency have made millionaires. I have made money from cryptocurrency, and I believe you too, you have made some money. If you have not made some money, then follow this last step. Subscribe to this channel, Emide Officials. I'll be dropping my Telegram channel link. You can also join our Telegram channel. Subscribe there for updates on how you can make money. I can guide you. You need to belong to a community. Education is key. It's a key to success, and education well used is success. So it's very important that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, join our Telegram group and our Telegram channel so that you'll be getting updates on how you can make more money from airdrop and from the crypto space in general. So thanks for watching, and let's meet at the top of success.